I would say that better than Tencent or Alibaba, because these are very large, market caps. Probably businesses that will do a lot better in China are businesses today that may be private, or businesses that may, be worth less than $1 billion or less than 100 million, where their runways are huge and they've got competitive advantage and they can grow 100x from here. And so I think that if I were you, I would focus. I have a handicap. I can't do that, but it would be so much outside my circle of competence. But I think that if someone can really figure out a bunch of smaller businesses in China that have great management and great models and teams, then that is where a lot of wealth will get created in the next 10 or 20 years. I mean, what I'm saying is that no matter how well Tencent or Alibaba does, it's hard to see them get to valuations more than 10 times where they are today in some reasonable number of years, if everything goes well. So I think you're better off rolling up your sleeves and digging deeper into the Tencent and Alibabas of tomorrow.